This isn't a standard i7, it's the flagship. M70L, over 700 horsepower, priced at almost 2 million RMB. What sets it apart from the regular i7?
Let's see what makes it special.
With the standard i7, most of the talk about its design focuses on those huge kidney grills with silver and chrome accents. The grille stands out, the front stands out, but the i7 M70L uses silver accents replaced with black accents. The front now looks more unified. So many at night, crystal lights, split headlights, and a kidney grille glow glimpsed in your rear view. Truly elegant, striking, and commanding. The cabin matches the standard i7, just two differences. M steering wheel plus 3 carbon fiber panels. Unlike the true M models, like the M3 or M4, there's still a big difference, but honestly, they really nail the details. Carbon fiber and cashmere seat textures stand out. They look remarkably alike, likely by deliberate design. Other than that, the i7's interior still feels just as refined and luxurious. Traditional brands excel at luxury. They understand one key principle: less truly means more. What remains must excel. Here is a prime example. Here's the rear screen, right at the back. Even though it is not super practical, since you almost never see a 32:9 ratio, overall viewing angles are limited. But its size dominates, filling the entire rear seating area. You instantly feel it. Awesome, bold, and cool. The vibe inside the car just comes alive right away. This is the i7 M70L unbatched. It offers more than the standard i7, brings aggression over 700 horsepower. The overall chassis performance is worthy of the M family. If you want to push it, despite its nearly 2-ton build, 5.4 meters long, all disappears. It never feels like a big heavy car, still nimble and quick. Compared to its M roots, its 7 Series heritage is even more pronounced. I drive aggressively, but in this car, honestly, I feel no urge to push up to the speed limit. Cruising smoothly and comfortably shows the car's true quality. Graceful and fierce, offers both. That's what makes the i7 M70L offers peak emotional value. There's a lot of doubt online about old school luxury cars, and they're facing a lot of criticism. When you're spending several times the price, when things feel pretty much the same, it definitely gets people talking. But after driving it for 2 days, the i7 M70 stands out. Meant for true enthusiasts, you'll always understand why it's here.